10 seconds. Did you know that's all it takes for a woman to decide if she's attracted to you or not? In just 10 seconds, she'll label you as interesting, forgettable, or completely unattractive. And here's the bad news. Most men waste those first moments. But the good news? If you know what to do, you can make her notice you instantly and actually feel drawn to you. Here's how to make those first 10 seconds count. Part 1. The first 2 seconds. Your body language speaks louder than words. Women don't respond to words first, they respond to energy, and the very first thing they pick up on is your body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest slightly out. A weak, insecure posture will kill attraction instantly, but a strong stance, that silently says, I'm here and I own this space. Make eye contact, but don't be creepy. Can you hold her gaze and silently say, yeah, I know who I am and I'm comfortable with it. If you break eye contact too soon, you've already lost. Part 2. The power of silence. Attraction without words. People are drawn to those who make them feel at ease. But most men, when they meet a woman, try too hard. They overtalk, crack too many jokes, or act like a clown to impress her. But real attraction, it's in the silence. The most attractive men shift the energy in a room without even speaking, because their presence commands the space. No fidgeting, no unnecessary movements, just controlled, calm power. And trust me, women can feel that. If your energy isn't solid, your looks won't matter. Part 3, your first words. How to instantly hook her attention. All right, so your posture is strong, your energy is grounded. Now comes the key moment, your first words. Most men, they go for the usual, hey, how are you? And start the most boring conversation ever, but you're gonna be different. This is crucial. Women don't respond to scripted pickup lines. What actually works is tuning into the moment. For example, make an interesting observation about the environment. Everyone here looks kind of bored, but you seem different, interesting. Or make her lean into your frame, so you're confident enough to stand next to me, huh? I like that. Remember, it's not about what you say, it's about how you say it. If your energy is solid, your words become naturally attractive. Bonus, don't fear mistakes. And finally, this is important. If you mess up, don't sweat it. Women don't expect perfection. They're attracted to confidence. And real confidence is not caring if you make a mistake. If something goes wrong, just laugh it off and move on. That's what truly makes you attractive. Now go try this out and see the difference for yourself. If you want to instantly grab a woman's attention, remember, attraction isn't about looks, it's about energy, and your energy changes everything. For more, make sure to follow. In the next video, we'll break down the most powerful attraction triggers that work on a woman's subconscious.